In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change the call vibration intensity on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn up or down the call vibration intensity on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sound and vibration. And then from there, what you want to do is hit sound and vibration. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for call vibration, and then from there what you want to do is hit call vibration, and then from there you can use the slider to increase or decrease your call vibration intensity. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change your call vibration intensity on your Samsung Galaxy S25 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.